Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're excited to show you a CGI composite of a new property due for completion in June 2022. Of course, this is a very spacious, detached, contemporary style home, complete with all of the features that you would expect. We've come through into the main entrance hallway space and taken a quick look there at the cloakroom, and as you come through and on the right hand side you come through into the utility space just off of the kitchen. So with this utility space here you will of course have units and appliances, and of course plenty of space to work with. Coming back through and across here on the left hand side at the front of the property, overlooking the front driveway area, we've got a very conveniently spaced study. Now with this study room here, you could perhaps use this as a multitude of things, perhaps a gym or playroom, whatever you need it to be, it can be it. Coming back through into the main kitchen, lounge and dining area here, you can see you've got a sleek fitted kitchen with Bosch appliances, beautiful views of crossover into the rear garden, and with this property you're going to be getting some beautiful picturesque views over the surrounding countryside. We're going to go back into the main hallway space. We'll head upstairs and take a look at what we have up there. On our way, of course, it's worth noting that you do have a 10-year new build warranty with this property, and it does give you about 2,135 square feet of accommodation spread over 3 floors. Coming through into the bedroom spaces now, all of which are double. This room here, absolutely fantastic. You've got the view at the back just from the windows there as well, letting all of that natural light flood through. And again, you've got that beautiful contemporary design with this property. So you're going to be able to move straight in, unpack your bags and enjoy. Coming through into the second of the rear bedrooms here on the first floor of the property, good sized double room again, lots of light coming through, and of course plenty of room there for the double bed and for plenty of storage space as well. A lot of thought has gone into the design of this property to make it a true modern family home, giving everybody equal amounts of space, so there's certainly not going to be any fighting over rooms with this one. The bathroom itself is well equipped with the shower, the bath, the loo and the sink unit, and again you've got that beautiful modern contemporary finish and design. And coming through into the last of the bedrooms here on the first floor, you can see here unique design with this space with that beautiful vaulted ceiling and huge picture window there at the front, and of course you have the ensuite here as well. We'll head upstairs and take a look at what we have there. Coming back out onto the landing space here, this beautiful light and bright and airy landing space with that window there at the front. We're going to go upstairs and take a look at what the second floor has to offer. You'll find up here a beautiful master suite, giving you plenty of space here with a beautiful dual aspect and of course ensuite, and the views up here will be absolutely beautiful. Whilst we're up here, we're going to start running through a few key points with this property before ending today's tour. Of course, this is a spacious, detached, contemporary home due for completion in June 2022. We've got a 10-year new build warranty, and the property gives you about 2,135 square feet of accommodation spread, of course, over 3 floors. With this property as well, it's worth noting that you are going to be a very short distance away from the upcoming high-speed rail station at Thanet Parkway, so of course that's something to look forward to in the future. Of course, if you need that high-speed link up to London, then this one's going to be absolutely perfect for you. Really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, so please don't hesitate to give us a call, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.